Welcome to the news at 6. I'm Morgan Romero.
And I'm Doug Petcash. Two more witnesses took the stand this morning in the Lori Vallow Daybell murder trial. Vallow is the Rexburg mom charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of two of her kids, JJ and Tylee, and her current husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell.
Today was day 3 of testimony. Once witnesses finished testifying, court actually adjourned early. Our Shira Matsuzawa was there today and has a look back at what happened and why court was cut short.
Court adjourned around 11 Wednesday morning. The judge said because of some unforeseen circumstances, court was adjourned for the day. We later learned it was because one of the prosecutors in the case had a death in the family.
We will go back on the record this morning, case CR 22-21-1624, State of Idaho versus Lori Vallow.
On Wednesday, Rexburg Police Detective Ray Hermosillo was back on the stand. The defense finished cross-examining him after Tuesday's emotional and graphic testimony laid out how and when investigators found Tylee and JJ's remains. Then, the prosecution called Lieutenant Jared Wilmore from the Madison County Jail. He explained how the Telmate phone system at the jail works. During his testimony, he was asked if it was fair to say that he monitored a number of calls between Chad and Lori, in which he responded, yes.
You testified in State's Exhibit 33. It was a call made between Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell on June 9th, 2020. Does that date catch your attention?
Yes.
What catches your attention about it?
That was the date that a search was made out at Chad Daybell's property, and when the search was conducted and the bodies of JJ and Taylor were found.
The court then listened to a recording of that phone call between the couple.
Should I try to call you later?
I don't know. I don't know. We can try, yeah. I'll answer if I can.
Okay.
I love you, and we'll talk soon.
A thumb drive with a video visit from June 24th between Lori's sister Summer Shiflett and Lori Vallow was also entered into evidence, as well as a video visit between Lori and her oldest son Colby Ryan on August 3rd of 2020. Next, the prosecution called Lieutenant Joseph Powell from the Fremont County Sheriff's Office. He said Gilbert Police in Arizona contacted him about Tammy's death on October 30th. They also requested his assistance in trying to find a Jeep Wrangler, which he says he found at Chad Daybell's home. Lieutenant Powell also talked about how he was there when Tammy's coffin was opened and for the autopsy. His testimony and court for the day ending with these questions.
Are you aware of where Lori Vallow was when Tammy Daybell died on October 19th?
No.
Would it surprise you to know that she was in Hawaii?
No.
Okay.
Court will pick back up again tomorrow morning. We don't know yet who the next witness will be. We'll find out tomorrow.
And you can stay up to date on the very latest that happens in the courtroom. We'll have reporters, including Morgan and Shira, in the courtroom throughout the trial. We'll also have live updates from Vallow Daybell's trial on our website over the next 2 months. For all of our coverage, you can scan the QR code on your screen or check out our website, ktvb.com, the KTVB app, or KTVB+.